Just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, let's see. Dixie, what are you thinking? Why are you thinking odd? Okay, so you looked at the end number, which you said is the ones place, which is what? 3. And then how did you figure out that 3 was an odd number? Okay, did you draw a picture? You just knew? Okay, give me a thumbs up right here if you agree with Dixie. If you think that this number is odd, give me a thumbs up. If you do not agree with Dixie, give me a thumbs down just right here. And if you're not sure, let me know. Okay, so, ready? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with Dixie, right here. Give me a thumbs down if you do not. Brian, you do not agree with Dixie? Okay, how come? Okay, you think it's even because this whole number is bigger than 3? Okay, so you think it's even. How did you figure that out? Did you draw one, let's see, 100,000 million, 1 billion dots?
No.
How did you figure it out that it was even?
Because it's all the way
David?
to the hundreds, it's all the way to the hundreds.
Okay, well remember, what did I say? If there was a number as big as the world, and it went all the way around the world, what number are we going to look at? There's only one. Cypress? The ones place. The 3 is in the ones place. This is a big old number, right?
Yes.
But we're only going to look at the ones place. And what number's in the ones place? 3. So is 3 odd or even? Odd. And if you do not know, remember, you can draw a picture. Now, we can't draw 1 billion dots.
No.
We don't have enough paper or time. That's why we're just going to look at the number in the one spot. If you need to draw a picture, I draw 3 dots, circle the pairs. We know it's odd because there's an odd man out. Okay?
Is math over?
Math is not over yet. Okay. Today is one of my favorite days of the week. What is today? What day of the week is today, Markayla? Wednesday, which is? Hump Day. Hump Day. Alright, so if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday, Alina? Tuesday. And if yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be, Haley? Thursday.
It's birthday on the 13th of November.
Okay, listen very carefully to what I'm going to ask you to do. You're going to go back to your desk with your math journal and your pencil, and I am going to introduce our story problem today. Today we're going to be talking about ducks. How many of you like ducks?
Me, I've been seeing ducks.
You've been seeing ducks?
Yeah.
Okay, it's hunting season too, isn't it?
Oh,
Oh, yeah. So we're going to be talking about ducks and some parents, okay? And we are going to be working with subtraction. So when we are done, oh, I'm having problems talking over some friends. When we are done, you're going to be able to figure out how many more of something there are, okay? We talked about it a little bit yesterday, how to figure out how many more or less something is. We're going to continue that today. So when I say you may get up, you're going to take your math spiral, your pencil, and go sit at your desk, and I will introduce our math problem for today. Okay, you may quietly get up. Please walk to your desk. We'll need to put that in your side journal. You're supposed to go right to your seat. Some of you are not doing what I asked you to do. All right, everybody ready? You can use a different page or the page you've been working on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen to my problem. Everybody listening? There are 9 ducks swimming in a line. There are 2 adult ducks, and the rest are babies. How many of the ducks are babies? Listen to it again. There are 9 ducks swimming in a line. 2 are adult ducks, and the rest are babies. Have y'all ever seen how ducks swim and the little parents swim ahead? They keep them safe. Okay. So how many of the ducks are babies? The first thing I want you to do in your journal is show me what you're thinking using pictures, numbers, or words. Does that mean you have to use all 3?
No.
No, because it has the word or. That means pick one. So you're going to show me how you would work the problem using either pictures, numbers, or words. Then, you're going to write a number sentence that shows how you solved the problem. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on this. There were 9 ducks all together. 9 all together. 2 of them were adults, probably a mama and a daddy. Maybe 2 mamas, maybe 2 daddies, maybe grandparents, I don't know. But 2 of them were adult ducks. The rest are babies. Show me how to figure out how many were babies. Ryder? You can write it out. I know, this one is easy. I hate that because y'all are able to do much more than this problem. I can't answer you if your hand's not raised, remember? Samuel? Yeah, sometime. Okay, if you have it, then you have to write a number sentence, and I don't see anybody with a number sentence. Let's try to move our quilt so we don't get it messed up. Okay, there are 9 ducks all together. They're in a line, swimming in a pond. 2 of them are adults. How many are babies? I'm not seeing a number sentence on all your papers. I need to see a number sentence. Ryder? I am an adult. Ma'am? Okay. Evan, could you please speak up under your desk? Thank you. Alright. I'm seeing a lot of different ways. Yes, ma'am. Okay, how many are still working? Okay, let's go ahead and come down and discuss this problem. Everybody walk around that way except Brian, Sophia, and Riley. Walk around that way. Everybody has to come. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody should be sitting down. Okay, I'm going to call a number, so be prepared to share. 19. All right, Devin. Oh, I nearly hit you. Oh, my fault. All right, you want me to draw you a square to work in? All right. So your work right there. First, I want to see how did you figure it out? So show me your pictures, numbers, or words that you use, okay? Everybody watch in case you didn't get it. Evan, I would like you to join the class a little bit closer, please. Okay? Is that right so far? He has a 9. Are there 9? 9 what? Why did you write a 9? 9 ducks, okay? 2 parents, so why did you write 6? Okay, you can fix it. Oh, we're listening to Devin right now. Okay, so what is that for? What's that 9 for? Okay, so there are 9 ducks. So is that what that means? Okay, so, and then what was that? Oh, a 2. Can you try to rewrite that? Because it looks like a 6. Do you remember what a 2 looks like? Alright, mark that out right there. So I don't do it. Alright, so you're saying that's the 9 ducks. And what's the 2 represent? 2 parents. Alright, now what? Okay, so he's saying 9 plus 2 equals 11. Why did you go up to 11? Uh-huh. Okay. If you agree with this solution, can you give me a thumbs up? If you do not agree, give me a thumbs down. And if you're still not sure, just let me know you're still not sure. All right. Sophia, thank you, Devin. Let's see what's going on here. All right, Sophia, can you come and share your thinking? I know everybody wants to come. We'll make sure. We're going to be doing this the rest of the year. Everybody's going to have a turn to share their thinking. I promise.
There's only 20 kids.
Yeah, there's only 20 children.
I know, but I've never 20.
Well, a lot of people never have. All right, let's see what Sophia's going to do. You have written on the board. All right, what is that? 7. Why did you write 7? There's not a 7 in this problem. No, you're right. I know what you're thinking. Why did you write 7?
There's 9 ducks and all. There's 9 ducks and all, and there's 2 babies, and there's 7.
How did you figure out 7? I you did right there. Go ahead and finish your picture just like that. Because I see what you did. Oh, look what she did. How clever that was. What do those two represent? 9, but why are those bigger? David, I need you to please stop. Did y'all hear what she did? Those are small because those are the babies, and she made the 2 bigger circles for the adults.
Ooh,
That was smart, wasn't it? That's cool. Alright. So you did, so how many, what's the answer to the question? How many of the ducks are babies? 7. Okay? If you agree, if you solved your problem like Sophia did, give me a thumbs up. If you did not solve it like Sophia did, give me a thumbs down. If you're still not sure what to do, just, I don't know what to do. That's how I used to be in math. I just didn't know. All right. So, Markayla, how did you solve it? Come and show me up here.
Brian and me.
I know. When we go back and check on my screen. I am looking at my friends that are sitting perfect on their bottoms, crisscross. I love that. Thank you, friends, who are sitting on your bottom crisscross. Those must be Buckeye ducks.
Oh, don't let start like that, though.
Wait, stop right there. I'm not sure I understand. What are you doing? What? Tell me about your picture. Okay. All right. Okay, show me. Can you write your numbers in it? Maybe I can understand it a little bit better. So she has 9 ducks drawn. She did like Sophia. She did some little dots and then some bigger dots. That's okay. I don't understand lots either. Thank you. I'm going to explain it to you. All right, let's discuss Markayla's answer. How many of the ducks are babies, Markayla? 2 are babies?
Those are the grown-ups.
Oh, I'm asking Markayla. 7 or 2? Okay, you want to go ahead and finish your math sentence? Your number sentence for me? Okay, so Sophia said there were 7 babies. Markayla said there were 7 babies, but they wrote different number sentences. Is that possible? Yeah, it is. It's possible. Are they both right? Because both of them said there were 7 babies. Give me a thumbs up if you agree the answer is 7. Give me a thumbs down if you think the number is different than 7. And if you still don't understand, just I don't understand.
Okay, let's see then. I don't know.
All right, Markayla, thank you very much. Here's how I would solve it. Both of these are right. There are 7 baby ducks. So this one's not going to work because we're not adding to 9. It already said there were 9 total. It didn't say 2 more were adults, right? So that one can't be right. Great job working it through, though. I love for y'all to try. But Sophia said that there were 7 baby ducks. Markayla said that there were 7 baby ducks. They worked it differently, but they both got the same answer. Here's how I would work it. I would work it much like Markayla because that's like really good. I'm glad that you could figure out how to do that. So I would have to draw my 9 ducks. Why did I draw it like that? Can somebody tell me? David? Yeah, but I drew it in a specific way. What's that kind of remind you of? Something we've been working with a lot. Evan? Okay, but what does this right here remind you of? Dixie? A 10 frame. So I put 5 across and 4 on the bottom because I know 5 plus 4 equals what? 9. Okay, so I know that there are 9 ducks all together. I also know that some are adults. How many are adults? Just tell me out loud. 2. So I'm going to just X out the adults. I already know that. I don't care how many of the babies are adults. So now I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that 7 are babies. Now I'm going to work this problem right there, make a number sentence that matches that. So what is the total number of ducks I started with, Macy? 9. Then what does that picture show? How many did I take away? 2. So if I started with 9 and I took away 2, how many were left? Cypress? 7. Oh, great job.
Turn that marker over towards it. See if it'll.
I can see my head.
So it's on the bottom. Okay, when I call your name, you are going to go back to your desk and you're going to put your math journal in your desk. You're going to need your pencil because I'm going to pass out your Busy Bee folder. I do not think we're going to have time to do a center before we have to get ready for the parade, but at least we'll be prepared when we get back, okay? Evan, Braden, Keithan, you may get up. Samuel, Elayla, Riley, Haley. Macy, Cypress, Jasmine, Cesaria. Cole, Ryder. Alina, David, Dixie. Markayla, Sophia, Brian, and Devin.
Let me get my head. You're the boss of me.
I'm not the boss of him.
But you're not the boss of this school, though.
Okay, your math journal should be put away. Cole, Alina, Samuel, David, Keithan. We're not going to run. Ryder, Markayla, Sophia, Dixie, Haley.
They're all separate.
They are. I divided them up again. Riley, Macy, Zaria, Devin, Evan. Go right back to your desk. We're on Moon Day. Jasmine, Cypress, Brian, Braden, Elayla. I need you to open up your folder, and I need you to look at, I think we should be on Park Day. I think I made a mistake. I said things different. We're on Park Day. So find out where you will be when we do our first round on the Park Day.